Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson on POS receipt management. In this session, we will explore how to customize POS receipts in LS Central to enhance brand, functional clarity, and customer engagement. All of this will be done using event-driven receipt customization without modifying standard code. We'll walk through practical real-world examples, including changing the receipt header labels, printing QR codes, printing images, and adding promotional banners and messages. Let's begin with our first scenario. Imagine a retail client who wants to change the default text labels on the POS receipt to improve clarity for customers. In the standard POS receipt, the header shows columns such as description and amount. However, the retailer wants the label description to be replaced with item details. This makes the receipt easier for customers to understand. Here's a quick visual references. Instead of description, the receipt header now displays item details. To implement this change, we subscribe to the event on before print sales entry information. This event is triggered before the receipt prints item details. Inside the subscriber, we replace the standard label text. We format the output string as required, and we set is handled equals to true to skip standard behavior. This ensures that a custom text is printed and the default receipt logic is bypassed. After applying this customization, the POS receipt prints item details instead of description. This completes scenario 1. Using this approach, you can modify any standard text labels, add new labels, improve readability and compliance requirements, all through standard events, keeping the solution upgrade safe. Now let's move on to our next second scenario, which is very common in modern retail. A fashion retailer wants to print a QR code at the top of the receipt and direct their customers to their loyalty portal digitally. This allows customers to scan the receipt and access promotions, loyalty points, or digital services. LS Central provides a dedicated event on before print QR code top of receipt. In this event, we supply a QR code data string. For this example, we directly pass a portal URL. In real implementations, this URL can be stored in a setup table, making it configurable without code changes. The POS framework automatically converts the string into QR code and prints it on the top of the receipt. On printed receipt, a QR code appears at the top, and scanning it redirects the customer to the retailer's portal. Let's move on to the next scenario, focused on marketing and promotions. A retail chain wants to promote a new product, a molten lava cake, printed directly on the POS receipt. The receipt should include a promotional message and an image of the product. For this example, we retrieve the image from company information. In real scenario, this could come from a custom setup table, a media field, or even an external source. To print context on the bottom of the receipt, we subscribe to on after print sales slip. Inside the subscriber, we load the image, convert it to base 64, which POS printer supports, print a promotional text message, print the image using the bitmap print block. On the receipt, a promotional message is printed, followed by the image of the dessert. This technique allows retailers to promote products, run campaigns, and reinforce branding at the point of sale. Now let's look at another variation of QR code printing. A retailer wants to promote deals or offers by printing a QR code at the bottom of the receipt. We again subscribe to on after print sales slip. This time, we pass a URL string, use the print barcode function, specify the barcode type as QR code. The POS system automatically converts the string into a QR code and prints it at the bottom of the receipt. The receipt now includes a QR code at the bottom, which directs the customers to deals or promotional page. That brings us to the end of this lesson on POS receipt management in LS Central. In this session, we learned how to modify receipt headers, print QR codes at the top and bottom, print images and promotional messages, and enhance branding and customer engagement. All of this achieved using standard POS receipt events and upgrade safe AL extensions. Thank you for watching and happy coding.